The is aggregatable property is not unique to a parent-child hierarchy, but it's probably more commonly used with a parent-child hierarchy than elsewhere. We use this property to prevent the calculation of a grand total. Typically, we see this as the all member in a standard dimension when writing MDX queries or using other cube browsers. With a parent-child hierarchy, we typically have one or more members that represent the total for each branch, and we don't want to combine these members into a final total. And furthermore, when we're using unary operators, the is aggregatable property modifies the expected behavior. So the total we see here for balance sheet, net income, and statistical accounts are incorrect. Analysis Services is adding up the children for each of these totals because of the is aggregatable property. So we can change this property to false, but only for the account attribute. And then when we redeploy and process the cube, we see the grand total, or all member, is gone, and we see the correct totals for balance sheet, net income, and statistical accounts.